Hello there, RP here, recording video on 3rd of May 2022. We are going to do a technical analysis based on Elliott Wave of Tesla. So Tesla has made a high of 1243 and after that it is in correction. So let's find out whether it had some opportunity to go up or whether it will go down. So we'll talk about all those possibilities in terms of Elliott Wave. So I'll give you a quick introduction to the Elliott Wave. So Elliott Wave principle was introduced into the market by Ralph Nelson Elliott. So as per his theory, market moves, it's like major trend of the market moves in the 5 waves, and then the counter trend comes in the 3 waves on the downside. So on my screen, you can see that an image of Elliott Wave where wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are present, which are in the direction of the dominant trend. And then there is a correction phase, which comes in the downside in terms of 3 waves. So this is the basic principle of Elliott Wave. There are certain rules that wave 3 cannot be shortest wave, means it should be bigger than either wave 1 or wave 5. Wave 4 cannot go below end of wave 1. Wave 2 cannot go below the start of wave 1. So these are some basic rules. So the principle follows the idea of crowd psychology, and it tells us that patterns get repeated over the period of time. Okay, so these are some basic details you should know about the Elliott Wave theory. So yeah, it is best tool for forecasting. None of the indicators and other methods are useful like this one. Okay, so this one is the best method for forecasting any stocks movement. With if you combine this with Fibonacci, this will do wonders. So this is more detailed diagram of Elliott Wave. So here you can see that wave 1 has 5 wave internal moves. So this has a fractal nature. It's like tree branches, you could say. It has internal wave 1 has 5 wave moves and then 3 waves down. Wave 3 has 5 waves moves up and then 3 waves move down as wave 4. Then wave 5 has 5 wave moves up, and after that this entire move is called as wave 1 of higher degree, and the correction will have 5 wave moves down as A wave. Okay, 3 waves moves up as B wave, and 5 wave moves down as a C wave. This entire sequence will be called as wave 1 and wave 2. Okay, wave 1 and wave 2, and then wave 3 will start of higher degree. This will not go indefinitely as we discussed, and US oil stock, US oil or crude oil had hit negative. So same thing can happen on other stocks as well. So it will not run indefinitely. There are certain like certain degrees of waves after which it goes into the correction, and it can even test the previous all-time low as well. Okay, so these things are possible. So with Elliott Wave, let's find out what happens next in the Tesla. So this was the basic image that you need to remember for Elliott Wave theory. So I'm using TradingView and I have plotted Elliott Wave on this. So there are different tools available. It's just the labels that we have to do. So from the all-time low in, I think, June 2010 till today, I have plotted Elliott Waves. So here you can see that from here to here, okay, let me highlight it. From this point to this point, it has completed one 5 wave sequence and then 2 wave sequence down, and it has completed 3rd wave right now, I believe, and its 4th wave is in progress, and it might complete somewhere here and go up. So 5th wave is pending. That's what this count says. Okay, Elliott Wave analysts have different counts, so each analyst can present it differently, but this will be a most accepted Elliott Wave count, and this should hold true by many analysts. That what I believe. So this is a monthly chart, by the way. So let's take a closer look on this portion on the log scale, because this is very consolidative move that you can see here. But On log scale, it will be a more clear picture. So on log scale, let me go that there. So on log scale, if you see here, I have plotted Elliott waves in this portion where wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 completed here. This is called as wave 1, and internally it has A, B, C moves, which is called as wave 2, and third wave is in progress. So this is how it looks on the log scale. The later moves are looking smaller now. Okay, so yeah, but I prefer going with the normal scale. And yeah, here you see that next third wave has internally 5 wave moves. Third wave usually get extended and it is explosive move. You should catch this move. Always remember, if you are able to catch the third wave, that will be the biggest and baddest of all, and it'll extend, like it'll extend like anything. There is no stopping it unless you see some major drop. You should not be out of third wave. That's what I believe. So that goes extended, like there are 9 to 913 in terms of Fibonacci sequence. There are minimum 9 waves internally in third wave if it is extended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth is a triangle here. Okay, and then fifth wave here. So this is how the third wave is looking like, and the fourth wave is in progress. Let's check a daily chart and why we are saying that there is one more wave up on the upside. Okay, before we check the daily chart, let me tell you what is the target for the fifth wave. Let's consider that the correction ended here or somewhere near $700. It has ended its correction, and or it is going to consolidate and make a triangle and then go up further. So then in that case, what will be the target? So this is our reference point, by the way, 7,000. It can make one more low as well. That's also possible. But considering the current tops and bottoms, we can expect, okay, when you plot a Fibonacci, so this is the Fibonacci tool, by the way. It's available here on TradingView. I have just marked it as a favorite, so it's appearing here. So if you want to plot a Fibonacci extension, use these 3 points. Okay, I'm considering this one as 7,000, sorry, 700 uh, as a Fibonacci's endpoint. So I'm getting the target as this one, which is which it should go minimum, which is 0.600 Fibonacci of this entire length. Okay, so this is how you should get the target of fifth wave. So fifth wave can go there or it can extend more towards this. So this will be a very big target in that case. But yeah, that happens. And this analysis does not consider any external factors or fundamentals. By the way, this is just purely for educational purpose. And yeah, it's based on Elliott Wave Theory and Fibonacci. So this analysis does not take care of any news or any news that happens in the stock, or if there is a very big fundamental change, then only the analysis can go wrong. Okay, yeah, there is a chance. There's nothing can be guaranteed in the world of stock markets. That's what you can remember. So moving forward, we check the targets. That is coming one more high somewhere near 1466 and 1940. So these are the two targets that we need to look for. Once it breaks this high, by the way, you should not go immediately and buy this stock. It will go in consolidation. That's what we believe. So let's take on a daily chart what's happening in this. So on daily chart, you can see that it is pretty much in the consolidation phase right now. So this is how the daily chart looks like. So here it has wave 1 completed like this, and then there was a COVID drop, right? So this was the COVID drop low. After that, it has started the rally and it is unstoppable after that. So here you can assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves completed here. So this is third of third wave. So this is third wave, right? So third of third is again strongest wave. So this is the more stronger than entire third wave. Internally, 3 of 3 is the biggest wave. After that, it is a consolidated in the form of a triangle. Okay, so triangle has A, B, C, D, and E moves. Okay, so this is how it looked, and this is the fifth wave of lower degree. Here it completed third wave, and now it's in the consolidation phase. So let's understand what is happening here. So you can see here MACD has made a top here, and there is no divergence made as of now. So what we are expecting is it is to make one more divergence, negative divergence on the basis of MACD. Third and fifth wave will have a divergence. So this is the top of this wave, by the way. This is not a divergence. So here it has made a high. I'm expecting it to go like this, come somewhere like this, and make a divergence and then drop. Okay, so this will be a fifth wave on the upper side. Okay, so somewhere this, as per this count and MACD, I believe that one more fifth wave is pending, and currently the fourth wave is running. So let's take a look at fourth wave. So fourth wave here, you can see, let me zoom it out. So fourth wave has A wave, B wave, and C wave. This is completed as a zigzag. Okay, here. Okay, so one way to consider what pattern it is forming here is that it can make a triangle here, pretty much like this. Okay, so it could be repeating this pattern of fourth wave here. Okay, so same thing can happen here. So yeah, as I said, let's label the triangles, previous triangle and this triangle. So it will be like this. Okay, this is the triangle A, B, C, D, E, like this. Okay, and then it moved up. So let me change the degree of this. Let's change it to micro. Okay, and yeah, similarly it can do the same things here. uh, so we are, so this is too early to say that this is a triangle. Okay, so triangle internally have five moves, sorry, five moves, five waves internally. So like this it can make some triangle, and each ABC wave internally is a zigzag wave. So something like this can happen uh, in a Tesla moving into this channel. Okay, and it can do like this. Okay, it can make a triangle like this and it can go up. So that is one possibility. And another possibility will be like it will make a triangle. In that case it won't break this low. Okay, if it breaks while coming down, if it breaks this low, this triangle case will be invalid. For now, what you have to remember is it's in the consolidation phase. It will spend time in this area. If it's a triangle, if it'll spend time in this area, it won't go beyond this. If it goes beyond this, this pattern is something else. So that possibility, let's check. Okay, let's check that possibility. What is this? If it's not a triangle, so it can be a complex correction or a flat correction in that case. So it would be, okay, a double complex correction. It's called as W here, X here, and then Y. One more low it can make coming to the lower end of the channel. Okay, so this is how we can denote the WXY correction. So double zigzag correction you can call it, and it will reach to the lower end of the channel, and then it could give the bounce. So that can happen. So this is the second case. In case it breaks this low, okay, somewhere to the lower end of the channel, it will make the new low, and then it will give the bounce. Okay, it can even make a triple complex correction or triple zigzag correction. So then there will be another X wave, then there will be a Z wave, and it will go up. After that it will go up definitely, right? And yeah, the way I believe it should complete in a double zigzag correction itself, because when you plot Fibonacci on these numbers, you get, okay, let's change it a bit. Okay, we need to make it from the wave to, sorry, yeah, so yeah, this is a fourth wave. So yeah, it has already reached 0.38 to Fibonacci. Okay, so left side, so it has reached 7,000, right? It has made a low near 0.38 to Fibonacci. So this will be a complex correction. So when there are complex correction, it will go towards this. If it is a simple correction and a zigzag correction, it will go towards this. That's what one thing you need to remember. And yeah, what I'm believing is it will make a triangle similar to this and then go up. So that's what I think of Tesla's next move. An alternative view of a bearish count can be like this. Okay, so this is the screenshot that I've picked up. So this is the alternative view, means that this is plan B, or if the earlier analysis is not correct, then this will be the alternative count, where 1, 2 again completed here, third completed here, fourth completed here, and fifth he's completed at the top, and it will be in a correction, and it will drop more, making this as wave A, this as wave B. Okay, something like this, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 waves downside, it will go towards 476. That's what this alternative count says, but this has a low probability. The larger probability will be it has completed already a correction here, it will make a triangle, and or a double zigzag correction and then go up. So that is the larger possibility that I think. So hope you like the analysis. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.